With the whole new, exquisite and floating design, our FQ17 drone is going to bring a whole new visual experience. Although in a compact and innovative floating design, it's very handy and flexible, easy to carry and fly. Before flight, install the battery in the aircraft and turn on the aircraft switch for the next code matching. Now, install the self-purchased 4 batteries in the remote control. We can follow this video for the operation and finish the code matching of aircraft and the remote control. When everything is ready, select a place of wide, open and no barrier for practicing. Before flight, fully charged battery. This is for powerful battery supply during flight. Flight operations demonstration. Ascend. Descend. Forward. Backward. Left sideward flight. Right sideward flight. Turn left. Turn right.
High and low speed switch. Trimmer key. Headless mode. Camera video mode. 3D rolling mode. Fly in the constant altitude.
Wi-Fi shooting demonstration. Use your phone to scan the corresponding 2-dimensional code and install the software. Then set up and connect the corresponding hotspots. Open the software and start the real-time transmission or control actions.
Finally, manipulate the aircraft to shoot and enjoy the images or videos from Wi-Fi real-time transmission.
After master the basic flying skills, we can switch to a faster flight speed and achieve the super cool flight experience. Come on, let's take the FQ17 and start to take the beautiful view and release your feeling as you soar in the sky. FQ17 drone, undoubtedly a great drone.